Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Sani Township is famous for its wooden sculptures and is a great place to see tung flowers during the Tung Blossom Festival. The now unused Sunchin Railway Station is a popular tourist spot. Near the station is an old 700-meter-long tunnel previously used by trains. The tunnel was constructed in 1905 and is a great example of Japanese colonial-era railway construction. The partially collapsed Lungtun Railway Bridge is also a must-see when in Sani.
苗栗三义除了木雕闻名外，每到桐花季，森兴车站附近就成了最热门的赏花地点。因火车已不再开进车站，游客可沿着铁道进入全长700公尺、用红砖建造的2号隧道，还可参观著名的铁路桥梁龙腾断桥。
Hi everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
大家好，我係李耀煌。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and today we are taking you to another town called 三义。
講到三茶我想到當然係一個樹雕。
木雕啊，That's right, they're very famous for their wood carvings in 三义。聽說那邊其實有一個木雕博物館。
木雕博物館。
木雕博物館 ，That is the Wood Carving Museum. OK， 我還有聽說那邊有一個橋，好像還蠻有名的哦，叫做龍騰斷橋，對不對？
哦，對，龍騰斷橋。
龍騰斷橋，但斷橋呢？它斷了嗎？
因為地銅的關係，因為地震的關係斷掉的。
So it's actually a broken bridge, but it's very famous, and you don't want to miss it. It's called the Longtan Broken Bridge.
除了看呢個龍騰斷橋以外還一定要去一隻位所嘅就係森興茶頭。
這又是什麼地方？
盛興車站
哦，盛興車站，這也是很有名的一個地方，就對了。
對。
哦，可是這個車站是有火車經過的嗎？還是沒有？
沒有，現在已經沒有。
Okay, so these are a lot of historic sites. Back in the days, they were operating, and so there's a lot of history to it. So it's actually a train station called the 盛興 Train Station. 盛興車站。
到盛興茶頭一定要去看呢一種當獎的東西，叫做油桐花。
哦，是嗎？去車站是為了要看桐花，是不是？
對。
Oh, okay, so there's the tung flower that you can also gaze at when you go to the station. Again, the 盛興 Station. Well, let's go ahead and review some of these terms we taught you. Again, you can buy a lot of wood carvings. 有很多木雕。
樹雕。
That's 木雕 wood carving. Also, the broken bridge called the Longtan Broken Bridge. 龍騰斷橋。
龍騰斷橋。
And finally, there's a station there called the 盛興 Station. 盛興車站。
盛興茶頭。
盛興茶頭。And remember, when you go to the station, you also want to check out the tung flowers. 要去這個賞桐花。
看油桐花。
Okay, so next time you travel around Sanyi or you're passing by, and perhaps you can go visit these places and buy some wood carvings too. That does it for today's Let's Talk Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張偉了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.